Welcome to TechZoid. Let's talk about Android Auto, a feature-packed system that's changing the way we use our smartphones while driving. What is it? How does it work? And how can you set it up in your car? Let's break it down step by step. What is Android Auto? Android Auto is Google's smart driving assistant. It connects your phone to your car's display, giving you hands-free access to essential features while driving. Here's what you can do with Android Auto. Navigation. Get directions using Google Maps or Waze. Calls and messages. Use your voice to make calls or send texts with Google Assistant. Music and entertainment. Stream playlists, podcasts, or audiobooks on apps like Spotify, Audible, or YouTube Music. Real-time updates. Stay informed with live traffic alerts, weather updates, and reminders. Think of it as your co-pilot, helping you stay connected while keeping your focus on the road. Getting started with Android Auto. Before you dive in, let's make sure you have everything you need. You'll need a car with a compatible infotainment system. Not sure if yours works? Contact your car manufacturer to confirm. An Android phone running Android 9.0 Pie or higher with an active data plan. A high-quality USB cable for wired connections. Or support for 5 GHz Wi-Fi if you want to go wireless. Pro tip: if your Android device is running Android 10 or later, Android Auto is built right into the system. You don't need to download it. How to set up Android Auto Option 1. Using a USB cable, plug your phone into your car's USB port with a compatible cable. On your car's display, select Android Auto and follow the on-screen prompts to complete the setup. Option 2. Wireless setup. If supported, make sure your phone supports 5 GHz Wi-Fi. If you're unsure, check with your phone manufacturer. Pair your phone with your car's infotainment system via Bluetooth. Follow the prompts on your car display to enable wireless Android Auto. In the EU, 5 GHz Wi-Fi for Android Auto may require additional regulatory compliance. Google Pixel 3 and newer models meet this requirement. How to use Android Auto. Once connected, your car's display will show a simplified version of your phone. Here's how to make the most of it. Voice commands with Google Assistant. Just say, "Hey Google," followed by your request. For example, take me to the nearest coffee shop. Play my road trip playlist. Navigation and calls. Use touch controls, steering wheel buttons, or voice commands to access apps, make calls, or read messages, all hands-free. Troubleshooting tips. If Android Auto isn't working, try these fixes. Check your USB cable or wireless connection. Ensure your phone's software is up to date. Restart your phone and car system, then reconnect. Wrapping up. So that's Android Auto, your ultimate driving companion. It's smart, safe, and designed to make your time on the road as efficient as possible. If you have questions or need help setting it up, feel free to ask. And don't forget to check out TechZoid for more tech tips and tutorials. Drive safe, and we'll see you in the next one.